Hey there, Bracers and Lego friends! What are you building today? I just built this Lego Brickheadz Disney Minnie Mouse that I got the other day at Toys R Us. Now I'm not a big fan of these Brickheadz at all. I just don't like them compared to the Mega Bloks Kubros. However, I only bought it because it's Minnie Mouse, and when I can find Mickey, I will buy him too to add to my amusement park. Now, I don't like them, one, because they have no opposable arms or hands, and they're not articulated in whatsoever. They are only about 2/3 the size of a Kubros as well, and, well, just about the same price or a little bit cheaper. So, take it for what it is. The printing on this is really cool. I do like the printing on this, and I do like Minnie Mouse. But I don't care for the internal design of these. There's lots of good parts that you can use for mini mocks and other kinds of stuff. But I wouldn't rush out to buy Brickheadz just as they are. I would definitely use the parts for something else. Although, like I said, the Minnie, and there's another one coming in a few months' time that's been announced that I want to pick up as well. But other than that, I'm not a fan of the Brickheadz. Now let's compare them to the Kubros. Now here is Minnie Mouse Brickheadz versus the Wharf Kubros. Now the detail in the Kubros is the fact that it has articulated arms and you can move them up and down, at least up and down. It has a much bigger head, and it has usually an accessory. The detail on it is pretty good. The facial expression, you can make the eyes that you want. Well, you can do that too as well, but you can add eyebrows and that they have. And the head detail is far much more detailed on the Mega Bloks or Mega Construx Kubros than the Lego Brickheadz. So, out of the two of them, I still prefer the Mega Construx Kubros over the Lego Brickheadz. And for Lego being a company who likes to say, well, other people copy us, well, I hate to tell you, but the Kubros was out before the Brickheadz. So, more or less, I think Lego copied Mega Bloks on those ones. Just saying, that's up for you to decide. But anyway, that's just a quick overview of the Minnie Mouse Brickheadz from Lego and comparison to the Mega Bloks Kubros. I do like the fact that it has a funny looking tail. It uses a minifigure whip for a tail, which is kind of odd for this set. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell for future uploads, and we will talk to you again shortly.